In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin a post on your Facebook page. Pinning a post is a simple way to keep important content front and center so visitors see it right away. This works perfectly for announcements, promotions, upcoming events, or any evergreen content you want to highlight for a while. Start by going to your Facebook page. Make sure you're actually viewing the page and not your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, double-check you're on the correct one. You'll also need a role with permission to manage posts, such as an admin or editor. If you're using the mobile app, switch into the page profile first so the page tools appear. On desktop, just open the page from your shortcuts or search. Next, scroll to the post you want to highlight. Take a moment to choose a post that clearly represents what you want new visitors to notice. Posts with a strong headline, a clean image, or a short video tend to perform well as pinned content. If you're running a time-sensitive campaign, note the end date so you remember to update or unpin it later. When you've found the post, look for the 3 dots in the top right corner of that post. This is the menu that holds additional actions. On desktop and mobile, it looks the same and it's sometimes labeled as More Options. Tap or click those 3 dots to open the menu. From the menu, select Pin Post. As soon as you do, Facebook confirms the action, and your post moves to the top of your page. The post will now appear at the top of your page, among other featured posts, making it more visible to anyone who visits. This is especially helpful if your page publishes frequently and you don't want an important message to get buried. If you don't see the pin post option, make sure you're acting as the page, that you have the right permissions, and that the post belongs to the page rather than being a shared post with limited controls. Refreshing the page or updating the app can also help if the option doesn't appear right away. You can unpin or replace it at any time by opening the same 3-dot menu on the pinned post and choosing Unpin Post, then pinning a different one if needed. After pinning, give your page a quick refresh and view it as a visitor to confirm the post placement and formatting. That's it. Your key content is now front and center for your audience.